Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 238. This was the 25th of April 2023, a Tuesday. So mostly I did books, and mostly I did calls. So did my first full day of calls, a long day, more than 9 hours of calls, and it's all new to me. So I'm like absolutely wiped. I got one sale. I got a couple people to call back, but as good as that might sound, I'm a little discouraged because the people that I'm talking to, there's a lot of people, they're not being screened. So I'm supposed to get people transferred to me that are, that are interested and they're not. So as soon as the call is being transferred, it almost right away, it's like a lot of them are saying, I tried to explain that I wasn't interested. I'm set. I have it all taken care of. So it's a waste of time to do a lot of this. Now, I do see that, okay, there's some percentage of people, but it's almost like it's like a cold call because it's not a transfer. I mean, I am talking to seniors and I am talking to people who could buy the plans. It's just that, and maybe that there's that, talking about, getting Part B give back, getting some money back, because they pay a monthly premium for Part B, or better dental benefits or better benefits. A lot of people are enticed by these benefits and they want these benefits. So, but they're not really being screened. And I think that's very unfortunate. I don't know. I will continue. I'll do I paid a lot of money for the first 2 weeks. It's charged on a bi-weekly basis. So I will give it everything I've got these next 2 weeks to do the best that I can. But it doesn't look like that I will at least stay with this lead company. I might have to go to find an alternate type of company than this. So a little disappointing results. Maybe it will get better. I'm hoping that it will get better. As I improve, I'm learning. I have been learning a lot, going through this process, but it's exhausting. It's very, very exhausting. So I'm grateful for the opportunity to sell these products. It's important. People do need health insurance, and I'm glad to have this opportunity. So that's it. Let me know your comments, questions, thoughts. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.